Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. So today, well actually, first you're saying, Michael, why the hell are you on the floor? Well, as you know, I freaking love the floor. On a serious note, today I'm going to show you how to make your own pull-up bar at home. The good thing about this pull-up bar is that once you make it, you can attach it anywhere at your home. So the reason that I'm making gym equipment is because with this pandemic, they're closing the gyms again. At first, they closed them, and then they reopened them, and now they reclosed. The first time around that gyms closed, I made my own dumbbells. And just to show you the dumbbells that I made a set of these. This is about 25 pounds. And I also made a set of these, and this is about 15 pounds. So yeah, I made two of these, and I made two of these, and I made these for under $20. Actually, I made a couple sets for under $20. And if you want to see the tutorial on that, the video will be up here. Okay, now let me show you the hardware that you need in order to make this pull-up bar. So you can get any of these parts at any hardware store, Lowe's or Home Depot. I got these at Home Depot. I have a 3-foot black pipe, and this is 3/4. 2 black pipe flanges, 2 90-degree elbows, and then I have 2 of the 2.5-inch nipple pieces. I know it's a funny name, but that's the name of it. And I also have 8 screws. That's gonna help me mount this anywhere we want. All right, now let's assemble it. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna get the black flange, which is this one here. You're gonna grab the nipple piece and screw it in here, just like that. Make sure that nipple goes inside good. You're gonna do that for the other one. There you go. So now you have 2 pieces like this. Now you're gonna grab the elbow pieces, and you're just gonna screw it on just like this. As tightly as you can. You're gonna do the same thing for the other one. There you go. So now you have this right here, just like this. And then you're gonna grab the pipe and you're just gonna screw this to the other elbow. Once you are done, make sure that the flanges are flat. As you can see, it's pretty flat. Okay, now that you have this assembled, I actually want to mount it right here. So let me get my screwdriver and the nails, and let's try this out. All right, now that it's installed, let's give it a try. Wow, I'm super surprised that thing can actually hold me. But there you have it, your own pull-up bar. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more do-it-yourself gym stuff at home. And also, if you would like for me to make more do-it-yourself gym related things, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.